Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching, let this video thumbs, and don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. Today we will briefly discuss about inside the superstar Stephanie Gonzalez. Stephanie Gonzalez is an Instagram famous model. Now in 2021 is supposed to be more than $650,000. Research of our earnings are modeling, commercial, brand promotion and advertisement. Expert Stephanie Gonzalez of her 32-year, as of now into. Stephen Gonzalez is an American coffee plus-size fashion model instead of star ancestors. Media Pleasure saw the film as a coffee model and social media platform, especially on Instagram, by seeing surface attractive modeling photos and videos. She is also famous as an official ambassador of fashion of a crew. Tiffany was born and raised in Fresno, California along with her family and relatives. Having been a fashion and modeling fanatic from a young age, she used to make a car in the same field. She gave popularity as car-free model on Instagram as her modeling photos and videos. With rising film on social media platform, the money has passed, and been a face of numerous professional burial injury picking his friends including fashion of girls and many others. In addition to this, she has only defense account, where her exclusive content are opening her premium users. Stephanie Gonzalez height is 5 feet 5 skin, and make it surprisingly 65 feet. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.